These are not just cars. They're 1,500 horsepower carbon fiber BEASTs that are basically impossible. We're talking about machines that operate on the edge of what's physically possible, where insane speed and pure power collide. For years, car companies told us all the same thing: if you want more power, you need a bigger engine. But that's not the whole story. I told you the real secret to their insane performance isn't just about making the engine bigger. What if the secret is hidden in crazy designs they thought we'd never even notice? Ever wondered why a multi-million-dollar hypercar doesn't just melt at 250 miles per hour? It's because of the secrets we are exposing in this video. From engines that are literally built upside down to get rid of lag, to systems that blast turbos with compressed air, this is the unbelievable engineering that makes hypercars different from every other car. Koenigsegg's war on physics. What if your goal isn't just to reduce lag but to delete it from existence? What if you want to use huge turbos for crazy power but have them respond instantly? Well, you go to war with physics. Car with a 5-liter twin-turbo V8 that makes a completely insane 16.0 horsepower. To do that, the Jesco needs massive turbochargers. And huge turbos, even in a hot V, are always going to have some lag. You just can't get away from it. So Koenigsegg's solution is something nobody else has ever put on a road car. It's a patented anti-lag system that is pure genius. The car has a small carbon fiber air tank. An electric compressor keeps this tank filled with air at 290 psi. So when the driver gets back on the gas, in that split second where a normal turbo would be trying to spin up, the car does something incredible. It shoots a perfectly timed blast of compressed air directly into the turbocharger, hitting the turbine blades like a rocket. Blast of air pre-spools the giant turbos, getting them up to speed before the exhaust even gets there. The result is zero lag, instant boost. The power is just there. It gives the Jesco the insane response of a regular engine, but with the world-breaking power of a 16.0 horsepower twin-turbo monster. This is what Koenigsegg does. Other companies say it's too complicated or too crazy, but Koenigsegg just sees it as the Secret number 3, Bugatti's symphony of controlled chaos. But we've seen engines flipped upside down, and we've seen compressed air used to fight turbo lag. But what if your engine is so extreme, so completely ridiculous, that the problem isn't just lag but trying to control an avalanche of power? This engine is just insane. 8 liters, 16 cylinders, and not 1, not 2, but 4 turbochargers. It makes almost 16.0 horsepower and a crazy amount of torque. An engine this big has a huge problem. How do you make it easy to drive around town without it being a jerky mess, while also giving you insane power all the way past 270 miles per hour? The secret isn't just that it has 4 turbos, but how Bugatti uses them. It's called sequential turbocharging. Low speeds, below about 38.0 RPM, the car sends all the exhaust from its 16 cylinders to just 2 of the 4 turbos. These 2 turbos spin up super fast, making the Chiron feel surprisingly easy to drive. It's powerful, but it's not scary. When you keep your foot on the gas and go past that 38.0 RPM mark, valves open up. The exhaust then feeds the other 2, bigger turbos. In that instant, all 4 turbos start working together, shoving a tsunami of air into the engine. The car completely changes. It goes from a powerful car to an F-16 jet. The acceleration doesn't just push you in your seat, it feels like it's trying to bend time. This 2-stage system is the secret genius of the Chiron. So there you have it, the hidden secrets of the hypercar world. A down hot V engine that gives you instant power. Koenigsegg's crazy anti-lag system that uses a blast of air to do the impossible. And Bugatti's quad-turbo setup that tames a 16.0 horsepower monster and turns it into a masterpiece. Aren't just engines, they're proof that to get the most performance, you don't just add more parts. You have to be brave enough to rewrite the rules of engineering. Which one of these secrets was the craziest? Let me know in the comments which car we should investigate next. And if you liked uncovering this hidden tech, hit that subscribe button and